Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Ultimate Horse Tutorial. I just wanted to give some quick tips on drawing the Arabian. Here I'm set up with my colored pencils, do my rough sketch. I have my reference off screen. I think this is like a Tennessee Walker type horse that I turned into an Arabian. Arabians just have kind of finer feet, smaller feet. Arabians have very fine faces, very large eyes, very large nostrils. They also have the concave profile that you can make as much as you want or as little as you want. There's a lot of different Arabians out there. Mane and tail are pretty abundant. I like to usually draw them with fiery manes and tails that are whisking in the wind. Arabians have small frames. They're very light horses, very dexterous horses, so keep them light. As long as you remember the profile, the large nostrils, large eyes, small feet, and kind of light overall body frame, give them about medium sexy hair, that's about all you need to know about drawing an Arabian.